Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel.
Crickets, please.
No, that didn't work. It just didn't work. I'm gonna stop. Anyway, if you clicked this video, you know that I got the Jeffree Star Valentine's Day mystery box. So I'm so excited. It finally got here. I ain't gonna lie, I was a little frustrated because I was getting a type of shipping confirmation or anything for a while. And I was just like, where is it? And it literally just arrived on my doorstep. I didn't get nothing. No shipping confirmation, nothing. So I'm glad I was there because around my area, they steal everything. So I'm glad I got it. I want to know what's inside so bad. I haven't opened it. It's sealed. Got my address. And I'm so hyped. So if you want to find out what I got in this mystery box, then keep on watching. If not, then go watch something else. Hopefully one of my videos. Okay guys, so the premium box costs $40. With shipping, it came out to a little over $50, I believe. And inside, it has $75 worth of Jeffree Star products. Oh my god. There you go. I kind of broke it. I don't know if I opened it wrong, but oh well, who cares? Inside's what counts. So it looks like it is wrapped in tissue paper. Ugh. Which honestly, not too happy about because tissue paper really doesn't protect products. It really should be wrapped in like bubble wrap. But if everything's good, then I don't really care. Ooh, let's see. Ooh, I got a pop socket. How nice is that? Very nice, very lovely. I actually don't even own a pop socket, and the reason why is because I have a magnet in the back of my phone because I use it in my car. Just pop it right there and it stays. But I'll keep this anyway in case I decide to take off the magnet and just put a pop socket. No, that's like the new thing when it comes to phones. Maybe it's old and I'm late to it. Don't know. But the next thing I got is Skin Frost in, let's see, Regina George. Ooh, I'm very happy about this, you guys. I do not have this, so yay. I want to open this. I want to see. I don't have any type of highlighter on my face, so okay. This is how she looks. So massive. I mean, look at his highlighters. Huge, huge, okay? She's beautiful. Oh my god, look. Look at this, you guys. So I'm going to take this little brush. Okay. Alright. Let me get a little close to you guys. I do have blush on, but I mean, it's not that much. Can you guys see it? I actually don't even see it that much. Oh, I see it. Never mind. To turn my face. Hold on. Ooh. My god, it's like a blush and a highlighter in one. Okay, let me actually do it with my finger, maybe on my nose. Going in with a finger. It's on my finger. Let me put it on my nose. There you go. Oh, so much better. There you go. That's the Jeffree Star products I know. The next three that I got are Velour Liquid Lips. I have Watermelon Soda, Clout, and Can't Relate. And I don't have any of those shades, so really excited about that. I'm gonna open these bad boys up. Look at Can't Relate. Like, how cute is this? I'm gonna open this up. Back of my hand, right here. Ooh. Look at that nude. So pretty. Next up I'm going to check is Clout. This is how she looks. Ooh. Very nice. This one up too. Ooh. I'm not sure about the color, if like I would ever wear it. Ooh. Okay, I might wear that. That's like really pretty. I feel like I would use this more like on my eyes because his lip products are safe for the eyes. So I actually might use this as a shadow. So serious. Not sure about the lips. Just not my thing. Alright, next one is Watermelon Soda. Oh, she is cute. Hello. Alright, let's do this. Let's watch this bad girl. Wow. Ooh. Look at her. That is an ugly swatch. Ignore that swatch. Just look at the color. It's really pretty. Alright, next one is from the Lip Ammunition. And it is Jeffree's Girl. Okay, let me see. Here it is. Open her up. Ooh. Look at that. Right here. Wow. Trying to get it so you guys can see. Here. I think I'm going to put Can't Relate on my lips right now. I have right now on some Crayon Case Peekin' Poppin' Lippy, but I do want to see how it looks. Oh my god. In the mirror, I don't know how it looks on the camera, but in the mirror my nose is like harsh pink in the center because I just went down so hard, so it looks so funny. I feel like I look like a clown. If I do, then oh well. Okay guys, I took off the lippy that I had already on my lips because I really am excited about the Can't Relate. Honestly, out of all the things that I got, this is the one I'm really excited about. So I want to like put this on right now because I want to see how it looks on me, and I'm just super excited. So whoa. Not sure if I would ever wear it by itself. I don't know. I feel like it has to grow on me. I want to see how it looks with a gloss on top because I might like it better. Let me see. Yeah, I like it way better now. So I'm still happy with it. Still happy with it. Honestly, I feel like I'm not sure if I'm absolutely loving the things that I got, but the good news is I do like his products and I do like the formula that he uses. So I mean, if I don't use Clout, for example, on my lips, I'll use it on my eyes or something else. It's not going to go to waste, so I am happy. I'm going to try these other lippies out. I'm going to see if I really like them. I'll wear them. I'll see how they feel. As I'm looking at my lips on the screen, I really am starting to like this more and more because it's starting to grow on me. That's how I am sometimes. Sometimes I need to like let things grow on me and then slowly I'm like, oh my god, I love it. I really do like Can't Relate with this together, not really by itself. But this highlighter really surprised me. I would carry this in my purse because this is literally 2-in-1. Blush and highlight for me. Just boom, done. But yeah, that's it guys. That's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did get the Valentine's Day mystery boxes, let me know what you guys got down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.